Boing boing boing. Okay, hello guys. So today we're back again in another Roblox video, and today, wait. Oh my, it's so laggy. It's so laggy. Alright, so today we're gonna play Bloxburg. Why are we in Bloxburg? Well, guess what released today? There's now a school institution for, I don't know, graduating and having this crazy looking hat. I mean, all in all, it's amazing that they added a school. After so long in the game's existence, they finally have an institution for education. Now, kids out there who hate studying, guess what? Studying is important. And yeah, studying is important. So, guess study. Alright. Study so that you can have this fancy looking hat. Okay, but that's besides the point. Let's get to the actual part of the game. So, we have here the president of Bloxburg. So, we have the president of Bloxburg here for some reason. Do I commute by myself or what? Because I can't have any option here. I don't have any for my vehicles. Let me travel to a nearby bus stop. Jack Heckerson. Oh, it's so goofy. Why is his name Jack Heckerson? That what the? This is giving, I don't know, red flag. Okay, so you wanna see Jack Heckerson's avatar? It's this bald guy over here. He's bald! He has no hair! Alright. So, let's wait. Do I commute, bro? I want a chauffeur because I deserve a special. Now, I did a film about the Greed War in this game. For some reason, my throat won't behave anymore. Oh my bad. Guess I'm walking. Let's walk, guys. What better way to walk around this new map? It's so large, though. The old map was so small than the, I don't know, the new map. Like, wait. The new map is very large, and maybe later I will show you how to climb the tallest mountain in Bloxburg. Maybe I'll show you later. Alright. For some reason, wait, let me ask. Bruh. So slow. Y'all, what side? I'm literally stuck in here. There's no bus stop. I went the wrong way. I'm gonna reset. I also stank. I need the shower. Might as well do that first. Oh wait, I see another intersection right there. So let's go there. Maybe there's a bus stop. Last time I went here, there are bus stops in every neighborhood. So might as well do that. Oh, I forgot. I didn't pay electricity. Yeah, right. Might as well go there without, I don't know. Let's just go there. Why is no one answering me? Y'alls, what? Where are you guys? Bruh. You know what? Okay, let's just move on and jump into the update. So basically, Bloxburg introduced a institution for education after how many years since the game's existence. Like, uh, the name is Billy Goat High. So let's go there. Now, probably in the past, people would build up their own schools so that they can have their own um, education institution thingy. Let's go. Let's see how this school looks like. Okay, my screen is frozen. Okay, sort of. Come on. Why do you have to be like this? Yeah, no one's answering me. Is this the school? No, never mind. Oh, it's right in front of me. Wait, let's go over there. Wow, this is the institution that students of Bloxburg will study in. This is amazing. This is much better than the school in Rowville. The school in Rowville is so basic and plain. Like, hurry to the gym. Oh jeez, I'm late for my first class. Oopsies, not like I want to go there anyway. Okay, let's check. So we have art subject. We have general studies. We have, what's this? Music. We have, alright, I guess they dismissed. The extracurricular activities are now ongoing. What else is in here? Wow, a basketball court. I've been playing basketball lately. Let's try this sports. Can I grab a basketball? It won't let me. It won't let me for some reason. Let's just go outside. There are vending machines. Oh no, I don't want to be janitor. Not today. Not today, bro. I'm not being a janitor and cleaning around the school. I'm here to learn. Alright. This looks like the auditorium, or it is an auditorium. You know, the best part of this auditorium is to do graduation ceremony. The claim panel, what's this? Daily bites. Food fight frenzy. Oh, food fight? They also do food fight. Awesome. Glitz and glam. Wait, is this some sort of prom set? Let's choose this. Let's choose this. Wow, dude, this looks like a prom setup. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. We're in prom. Oh, this is gonna be so great for students. Okay, what do we have here? A goat. Yeah, a goat. Wonder why this school is named after a goat. Alright, let's see. What's this? Front office. Let's go inside. The front office. This must be the faculty for teachers. And this is the principal's office. Wow, all in a glass. What a way. It would be so easy if there's a fire escape and they brought hammers with them. They bash through the glass and then they break it. That would be so easy escape route for fire emergencies. Alright, let's go. What else is in here? Oh, that must be the upper part of the auditorium. So let's go down here. What else is down here? Alright. The school's empty. It's a ghost school now. It's 7 a.m. Oh, there's there's gonna be classes again, I'm guessing. A language class, uh, science class. Anymore? Oh, there's a library in there. I will check that out. Oh, I can claim lockers. You can also claim lockers, guys. Yeah, it has my face on it. Alright. What's this here? General studies. I've been there already. How about this, teacher? You're too young to do this. I'm too young to be a teacher? What do you call ST then? There's a student teacher. Wait, alright. If that's your excuse, might as well put it up that way. Let's turn myself into an adult. Fine, if that's what you want. Yay, I'm promoted to being a teacher. Alright, guys. Now you listen to me. I'm your boss in this room. And the bell doesn't dismiss you. I do. Just kidding. I used that from somewhere. I know where that quote is from. Alright. I'm your teacher. Let's wait for students. Let's wait for students. I bet it's very early to host a class like this. Alright. It's too early to host a class. So I'll be waiting here. It's 7 a.m. Why is the time frozen though? That's weird. Am I disconnecting? Am I disconnecting? Looks like I am. It's so sad. It's desperating if you're gonna watch yourself disconnect this way. You listen to me. Otherwise I will chainsaw your head. What happened? Seems like I'm frozen. Why is the time frozen? It's 7 a.m. Someone froze the time. I mean, this is not my server and the owner is here. How am I supposed to host a class? Seems like nothing in this school is working. Just shift ended. Yeah, right. As if I done something. Alright. Let's move on to an entirely new aspect here, which is claiming lockers. Customized locker. Yeah, I don't have any knowledge. Back. Oh jeez. I'm stuck. Oh, never mind. Alright, let's move on to exploring the school. So there you have it. You have a teacher's law. You can get promoted as a teacher. So just because you're tall, you can be a teacher in Bloxburg? That's odd. Why can't a kid teach? Or why can't... Alright, I was right this whole time. This is a library. This is a library, guys. And let's talk to this woman over here. This must be the librarian. Hi. Hello, how may I help you today? You're welcome to borrow a book, read, or simply relax here, but please be quiet. If you need to make any copies, feel free to use the photocopier. Goodbye! Okay, goodbye. Where's the photocopier? Oh, that must be the photocopier. Let's photocopy something. Alright! Looks like everything in here at least is working somehow, because the schedule is frozen. Alright, take again. Is that it? Oh wait, there is the yard. There's the backyard of the school, by the way. Let's get that out before we end this video, since it's 14 minutes long. I was too precise. I was too precise. Where's the backyard? This is the front. I saw this part in the trailer, so yeah, there was um there was the last time I've been here, it was like the map update. Alright. That must be the backyard. I'm guessing it's a what do you call this? Football, not football, rugby or something. It's called rugby. I don't know why they call football rugby or rugby football. It's not even football. You use your hand. You use your hand for actually throwing, to throw it in here. There's no actually soccer in here. I'm not even American. Um, we soccer Americans would call football soccer, and basically football for them is this rugby ball that is oval in shape, but it's not even using your foot for it. You're not even using your foot. Anyways, this is the yard, besides the point. At least you have somewhere to run. So this is somewhere where you can run. Bloxburg High School. Bloxburg is a high school, no elementary allowed, no curves or something. Alright. So that wraps up this Bloxburg High School tour, and look over. Probably I'll make a part 2 of this, or maybe not. By the way, my movie's on release soon, and I'm not gonna be procrastinating this time. Alright, I gotta admit to you, I've been procrastinating, but recently my schedule has been tight, so my apologies for that. So that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, good night.